Hey folks, a few clouds overhead tonight. Kind of made for a pretty sunset out there. The clouds mixing with the setting sun earlier, and they're still there. They're high clouds. Yesterday they made a nice halo in a few places across the valley. You might have seen that ring around the sun. That's the sun going through the ice crystals in the high clouds. Zoom out a little bit. The Gulf of Mexico's quiet. The Pacific shows Hurricane Bud, which will weaken as it heads toward Cabo. And then over here, the system that's probably going to bring us some pretty good rain, beginning as early as Wednesday. Not this particular rain right here, but as it moves westward, our moisture levels are going to increase, and eventually we may get some pretty good rain in here, starting with a few showers on Wednesday. Hurricane Center gives us a 10% chance of developing the next 2 days, but it runs into the Yucatan Peninsula, so it doesn't have much hope then. And there's a lot of wind shear out there, a lot of things that will keep it from developing. Out 5 days, a 20% chance that would have it out in here someplace by the time you get to the weekend. I think the most likely scenario is probably a pretty impressive tropical wave moving into Texas and northern Mexico with a lot of rain. Slight chance it could be more than that. A slight chance we could end up with perhaps a depression or something on our coastline. But the bottom line is we're going to see an increase in rain. You can watch Bud over there if you want, but we're going to watch over here. This is our wave that's working its way westward. Again, by the time you get to Wednesday, it's already producing rain over the Yucatan Peninsula. But over here, notice some showers nearby. The big high that's been controlling our weather for a month or so is going to lift a little bit to the north and open the door for tropical moisture to come in. Starts Wednesday with maybe stuff on the sea breeze. Thursday, probably a little more active. Friday, this wave gets closer, probably a little more active yet. And then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, look at that, rain, rain, rain. Tuesday, a chance of rain as well. So pretty good shot at some beneficial rains coming in here over the weekend and into the early part of next week. That was the U.S. GFS computer model. Here's the European. It shows pretty much the same thing. You see the showers breaking out on Wednesday, more around on Thursday. Then the wave comes in over the weekend, and then you notice rain from here to Houston back into the hill country. So some pretty good stuff coming in. Both models now kind of agreeing on what is more or less going to happen, and what that ends up being for us is an increase in our rain chance. Again, a slight chance Wednesday, then a better chance Thursday, and that chance then continues to go up. Tomorrow should be dry. I think Wednesday you see spotty showers mainly on the sea breeze. There you see them. And then Thursday, an even better chance yet. Perhaps a heavy thunderstorm mixed in, so that chance of rain is with us. And then all the way through the weekend, we go dry 20, 40. Probably our best chance looks to be Sunday into Monday at about 60%. These are our current temperatures, mid-80s valley-wide, 84 Port Isabel, 86 McAllen, 85 Rio Grande City. Lows tonight will be in the upper 70s and low 80s. Highs tomorrow look like they'll climb back up to about 100 in the west, 80s and 90s every place else. So for tonight, 79 for low, partly cloudy, warm and muggy, southeast winds. Tomorrow, partly sunny, breezy, hot, back up to 97. South-southeasterly winds at about 10 to 20. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and notice with the increase in moisture and the increasing rain chance, look how the temperatures come down below average for the first time in a while. And starting Wednesday, every day a chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Best chance probably centered around days 6 and 7, Sunday into Monday, even lingering into the middle of next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.